I will 30th June. So that's it. And I was including triple B in that. So that's it.
Yes. The person in the check shirt right there.
Good evening. I am Mehul Dani from FinTech Business. Please provide some updates with regard to digital initiatives and digital transformation of your bank in the quarter one.
So, lot of digital initiatives. Vishali, would you like to?
Same, bank has already taken a lot of digital initiatives. We have started 3 major projects, lot of success now. One was a project TechSnake, where we are changing the entire digital landscape of the bank, and we are trying to build up the infrastructure which is there to back up the scale capacity and all that. We have built up a resiliency operations center, ROC, for the bank to see that my uptime, my monitoring observability of the systems is improved to 99.9%. We are also building up an AI ML project with a data lake tool built in, which we call as Project Aditya. This project helps us to build upon the capacity where we have got a huge customer base, do a lot of AI ML basis that, and do a lot of predictive analysis. And not only for function as a loan, but we also are saying that can we give the best offers, also look at prediction of whether the delinquencies can be there, predict them what the next products, and multiple types of use cases are coming to that project Aditya. So there are this project, then there are projects where we are going to streamline the entire trade finance model of us with the idea of Finastra, which is there. So all in all, the entire IT landscape is there. We have built up a universal platform which is going to take care of my mobile banking, internet banking, and all the API gateway systems. So these is built up with that tie-up with IBM as a tech partner, and this is a platform which is going to stand up internet banking. So these are multiple landscapes of IT which we have to. Lot of books is being created on our digital platforms. So the businesses are also being generated using the digital STP journeys. Lot of state 22, 24 STP journeys have been built in, which are helping the bank in the field to do digital business.
On the cyber security, so there are now we have a very strong transaction monitoring department through which all the alerts of cyber security and new accounts are coming. So we are happy to inform that we are among the earliest banks to have gone live as far as the new hunter of RBI is concerned, both on the saving account and current account. That is the first part. Second part, we are also live with the NPCI data which is coming on real time, where NPCI is also sending alerts on some accounts which are new account. Third part is our internal MLOG system, which carries out the verification of the accounts and throws out the alerts with respect to the new accounts is concerned. Fourth is the I4C data which is coming from the Ministry of Home Affairs. And fifth part is with respect to another data which is coming from Telco, yes, from the dot. The mobile numbers, suspicious mobile numbers which are coming from the DOT, there also we are closing the loop. So there are 4 data points for cyber security which we are now enabled under our transaction monitoring system, and we are seeing lot of traction in that, and lot of accounts are getting blocked because of that after the new accounts which are there, and we are able to block the money of the our depositors which may have otherwise gone out as a cyber fraud. So that is some good work which we have done as far as the cyber security also is concerned with the automated.
Just to add more.